Hello friends, today we are installing two numbers 500 LPD FPC solar water heater. Totally it will be 1000 liters per day capacity. Each 500 LPD solar system has 4 panels. We have installed backup heaters also, MS powder coated angles, SS304L grade inner tank and GI pre-coated outer cladding. 2 kW into 2 numbers backup heaters are provided along with sacrificial anode. Instead of installing single 1000-liter tank, we recommended to use 500-liter tanks 2 numbers for ease of maintenance, easy to lift it. We can connect it in series or parallel, or we can give it separately also. We have assembled the stand and placed the tank on the stand. Now we are placing the panels one by one. There are 2 master panels and 2 standard panels. Water connection from and to the tank will be connected to the master panel. Panels are interconnected with help of washers and SS bolts and nuts. Any enquiry in and around Bangalore, please contact us. Thank you.